Hello and welcome to today's episode of I'm Taranya, and joining me is Nithya, an AI expert. We'll be discussing how artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing our daily lives. Welcome, Nithya.
Hi Taranya, thanks for having me. AI is such an exciting topic, and I'm happy to share how it's making a difference in our world.
Let's start with something simple. AI sounds like a big, complex thing, but we actually use it every day without realizing it. Can you share some examples?
Sure, AI is everywhere. If you've ever used Siri or Google Assistant to ask a question, that's AI. When Netflix recommends movies based on what you've watched, that's AI too. Even when you use Google Maps to find the fastest way to a location, AI is working behind the scenes to analyze traffic and suggest the best route.
That's true. And even social media apps like Instagram and TikTok use AI to show us content based on what we like. It's interesting how AI makes our lives easier without us even noticing. AI isn't just in our personal lives, it's also changing how we work. How is AI used in different jobs?
AI is helping in many industries. In hospitals, AI helps doctors by analyzing X-rays and medical reports quickly. In banks, AI detects fraud by spotting unusual transactions. Even in customer service, AI chatbots answer questions instantly, so people don't have to wait for a human operator.
That's amazing. But does this mean AI will take over people's jobs?
AI can replace some repetitive jobs like data entry, but it also creates new jobs. Companies need people to design, maintain, and improve AI systems. So instead of replacing humans, AI is changing the type of work we do.
AI sounds really useful, but are there any risks or challenges?
Yes, there are a few. One big concern is privacy. AI collects a lot of data, and if companies don't handle it properly, people's personal information could be misused. Another issue is bias. AI learns from data, so if the data is biased, AI can make unfair decisions. For example, if an AI system is used to hire employees but is trained on biased data, it might favor one group over another.
That's a serious issue, so what can we do to make AI safer and fairer?
The best way is to have rules and guidelines for how AI is used. Governments and companies need to ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly. People also need to be aware of how AI works so they can use it wisely.
This has been a great discussion. AI is making life easier, but we also need to be careful about how it's used. What do you think the future of AI will look like?
AI will continue to improve and become even more helpful. We might see self-driving cars, AI-powered teachers, and even AI helping to solve big problems like climate change. But we need to use AI responsibly to make sure it benefits everyone.
Well said. Thank you, Nithya, for sharing your knowledge with us today.
Thanks for having me. It was a pleasure.
And thank you to our listeners. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on